Hello friends, how are you all? Let me know in the comment section below. So we are again gonna talk about some useful English sentences. So friends, without any further ado, let's jump to the first sentence, and the first sentence of a day is मेरे रास्ते में फिर कभी मत आना. So its English is never come again in my way. Never come again in my way. So the next sentence is वह खतरे में है, कृपया उसकी मदद करो. So its English will be he is in danger, please help him. He is in danger, please help him. So the next sentence is कृपया उसे स्कूल ले जाओ. So its English will be please take him to school. Please take him to school. So the next sentence is मैं तुमसे कम नहीं हूँ. So its English will be I am not inferior to you. I am not inferior to you. So the next sentence is तुम कोई काम के नहीं हो. So its English will be you are of no use. You are of no use. So the next sentence is वह बहुत मक्कार है. So most of the time you come across this condition and its English is he is very slicker. He is very slicker. So the next sentence is ने मुझे अंधेरे में रखा. अंधेरे में रखना means सच का पता नहीं चलने दिया. So its English will be you kept me in the dark. You kept me in the dark. So the next sentence is हम उसे जाने नहीं दे सकते, पकड़ो उसे. So its English will be we can't let him go, catch him. We can't let him go, please catch him. या फिर catch him. Okay. So the next sentence is क्या कुछ हुआ. So its English will be did it happen anything. Did it happen anything. So the next sentence is मेरे पास मत आना. So its English will be don't come near me. Don't come near me. So the next sentence is मैंने ऐसा डरपोक आदमी पहली बार देखा है. Its English will be I have seen such a coward person for the first time. I have seen such a coward person for the first time. So the next sentence is मेरा सर फटा जा रहा है. So its English will be my head is splitting. My head is splitting. So the next sentence is बस मतलब बस. So its English will be enough is enough. Enough is enough. So the next sentence is आप बिना फालतू में परेशान हो. So its English will be you are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. So the next sentence is मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. So its English will be I am not going anywhere, I am with you. I am not going anywhere, I am with you. So these were some daily use English sentences. If you enjoyed this video, step on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, must subscribe and like this video if you haven't. So meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking my